how to bridge from Binance Smart Chain network, that is the BSC network, to Match Chain network. And guess what? Match Chain just dropped a new update. On once you just bridge on the Match Chain network, once you bridge from BSC network to Match Chain network, you stand a chance to win 100,000 LOL coin. That's another extra benefit. So let's do this right now. So the first thing you have to do is to click on this claim. So I'll be clicking on mine right now. So once you click on claim, you allow it to load up. Once you allow it to load up, you see the area where they wrote claim, you tap on it again. Then see where they wrote bridge here. Click on the bridge. So let's allow it to load up. Alright, so this is where it will take you to. So the next thing you have to do is to click on this connect icon there. Now tap on connect. But before then, make sure you have found your Bitgate wallet, and I've showed you how to link your Bitgate wallet to your MyChain mini app on Telegram. If you have not done that, go and watch my recent video about that. I just made a recent video about that. So then click on Bitgate wallet. So I'm clicking on Bitgate wallet right now. So you allow it to connect. Let me tap on it again. Bitgate wallet, not exchange, please. Tried to connect and it's not working. So right now, in case if you face the same issue also, so what you have to do right now in order for you to connect this successfully is to go to this area here, tap on that area. So follow me step by step so that I can sort this out. So once you tap on that thing, you copy it. Once it's copied, then you go back to your Bitgate wallet. Alright, so once you head over to your Bitgate wallet, I'm on my own Bitgate wallet right now. So what you have to do right now is to go to this area where this area here, discover. This area that is showing discover. You tap on discover. Once you tap on discover, you paste it, tap at the search button and paste the link which you copied. So you're pasting mine right now. Click on search. So once you paste the link there and search, it take you to this area right now. So the next thing you have to do is to click on this connect button. Once you click on the connect button, you search for Bitgate wallet and tap on Bitgate wallet. So allow it to connect. So it's loading right now. Once it finish loading, it will show connect. It will show the wallet contract address showing that it is connected here. So let's allow it to load up. So once it's connected this way, the next thing you have to do is to still click on this area here to confirm the network it is. So seeing it is on MetaMask network, that's an EVN network. So we have to switch it to BSC. So you scroll down, search for until you see where they wrote BSC. So this is BSC here. I tap on it, click on switch wallet. So let's allow it to switch. Now it is on BSC network. Make sure you check and confirm it too. Confirm it that it is on BSC network. So it is on BSC network, as you can see, this is it here. After connecting it, the next thing you have to do right now is to search for BNB. So you click on this select tokens. So once you click on the select tokens, it will take you to this area. So you see where they wrote BNB. So you click on BNB. So you click on BNB. Remember, we are bridging from BSC network to Match Chain network. So the next thing you have to click on is this area here. So I'll be tapping on mine right now. Sorry. So this is it. So what you have to do right now, once you take it to this interface, to click on this area, scroll down till you get Match Chain. So I'm scrolling down until I get Match Chain. Scroll down. So this is the Match Chain. This is Match Chain. So you tap on Match Chain. Once you tap on Match Chain, you tap on BNB. So I'll be tapping on my own now. Yes, you are bridging from BNB on BSC network to BNB on Match Chain network. So I'll be putting in BNB worth of $1 plus. So you better make sure you put at least $1 worth of BNB. So I'm putting in BNB worth of $1.7 at least. For you, make sure it's no more less than $1. 003. So you click on continue. You click on transfer. So the transaction is being processing. You have to confirm the transaction by putting in your security codes, like your fingerprint or your password, any of them. It take you to pop up a message like this. So you click on confirm, then add your password. I'm using fingerprint for it. So it's signing. Boom, the transaction is successful. So that's how to bridge from the BNB chain to the Match Chain network effortlessly. So if you have any issue on using it directly, then just copy the link, go to Bitget exchange, Bitget wallet, and do that yourself. So that is how to do that. See you on my next one. Make sure you subscribe to this video. Bye for now.